I am Padma Srinivasan and I am applying for the National Award instituted by MHRD. I have enrolled myself for some of these SWAYAM courses. Teaching without continuous upgradation, I felt, was a futile exercise. It widens the gap between the learner and the teacher. It takes a lot of effort on the teacher's part to keep abreast with the fast pace at which the generation next is moving on. During these difficult times, it has also become very difficult to have much needed interaction with the students. And it has also become impossible to have regular schools, and hence we are adopting technology and working on technology-based teaching so that continuous learning is not hampered. Teachers need to learn to adapt to the innovations in technology. The nodal policy makers have kept this in mind and have been organizing courses to help teachers do these courses and upgrade their qualifications while in service. This is what I call as reskilling. I have also been extremely fortunate to have been a part of 2 such courses organized by the Ministry of Human Resources Development on academic writing and educational leadership. The details of which are as follows. The National Program on Technology Enhanced Learning is a project of MHRD initiated by 7 Indian Institutes of Technology along with the Indian Institute of Science, Bangalore in 2003 to provide quality education to anyone interested in learning from the IITs, which are the most prestigious institutions. Academic writing. In any academic and research writing, it is extremely important to get publications, and even though it is an integral part of writing, it never is taught as a formal subject, so the nuances of writing are generally missed out. It is imperative to learn it in a structured manner so that it is completed in the best possible way. This course aims to fill up this gap by providing the fundamental knowledge required for effective and result-oriented academic writing. It is a foundation course, and the course has been used by each person according to their own area of specialization. This course teaches the difference between the different kinds of academic writings and identifying plagiarism, and it also aims at time-bound writing and team management. It also helps practice digital writing and develop open educational research platforms to help you in this writing. Then the next program that I have enrolled myself for is educational leadership, which I think is very relevant to anybody who wants to go into any kind of leadership positions. When one looks at the global multicultural and the virtual work environment, only having the knowledge of academics does not guarantee professional competence. Leadership has been an important aspect of success in any organization. It is a known fact that leadership is often associated with the growth and development of institutions. These qualities of leadership have generally been associated with the corporate or the general commercial industries. This course is designed to help the teaching and academic professionals to understand how educational leadership can transform and enhance the effectiveness of educational institutions. It also aims at encouraging individual members to develop various skills, abilities to improvise their leadership skills. The leaders have to develop awareness into their self-motivation, critical thinking, and for enhancing their critical thinking and plan of action for institutional growth and development. It is aimed at helping the individual and the educational administration to grow. These multidisciplinary courses start in July 2020 and are of 8-week duration. A teacher has to devote 2.5 to 4 hours a week and participate regularly in all their um, various sessions for effective completion of the course.